Alright, it's the next day. This is what we got. I was a little lazy last night, I'm not gonna lie. I got some chain cleaner, Honda oils and chemicals, high performance chain cleaner, whatever. Honda brand, figured it'd be good. And then I got this chain wax because I didn't have the Honda brand chain lube. So, got her up on the jack, and she's free falling. She's rolling, she's good. And she's really crusty and a little rusty, so I'll probably get the camera a little bit closer, maybe do some sort of time lapse or a full video. I don't really know what we're gonna do, but yeah, this is what we got. 20 bucks, $10 a bottle, basically. Yeah. So special paraffin base for O-rings and off-road chains, whatever. I mean, there's a lot of people that are like, do this, do that, do this and the other. I watched a dude on YouTube who did a few comparisons through brands. I didn't want to wait to order the brand that he had suggested, so this is what we're using. Don't know if it's good, don't know if it's bad, don't really give a fuck. It's better than what's going on, so I'll be back in a second. Alright, so this apparently needs to sit for quite a bit of time. I guess not a lot of time. It says like a couple minutes. It doesn't really say for sure. I'd say probably like 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna spray it, and yeah, I guess we should maybe cover the tire. I don't really think it'll be too big of a deal. We can also, I mean, it says to spray it down with the hose, so it'll get hosed off here in a minute. Move it around. Ooh, don't breathe that in. Alright, well, that was pretty chill. It all honestly cleaned up pretty well. Probably get a brush out and brush on it as well. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute though. Well, I don't got a toothbrush, but I got a red 3M pad. I figured it'll do the same. Hopefully not mess anything up. I don't think it would. It's just a fucking 3M pad, man. If anything, little hairs might be detrimental to it, to be real, but it's also nice because I can get behind the chain with it. Kind of just stroke it off the whole way, you know. Give it one more spray down with this. Let it sit for a second, and then I'll hit it with the hose. All right, probably more than needed, but we did it. Alright, I'd say that's cleaned off enough. Let those drain and dry off. Close up. Or try to get a close up. It's hard with the microphone. Oop, 1 minute. But it's super crispy. Super crispy. Used to be black, now it's silver again. So yeah, it says we gotta let it dry off. I might come in here and wipe this up a little bit. I don't want that shit to remain on any of this, to be honest. That's why I tried to spray it down. So yeah, cool. Be back in a minute. Alright, well, unfortunately the audio in this clip did not work as the only one in the whole video, so, you know, I guess we're making progress in that regards, but basically, I just, you know, spritzed it on and kept spinning the wheel. I went around like 2 or 3 times. I know it doesn't look fully golden around the whole wheel. I don't know, I guess it's something with the GoPro video and the way that it looks, but there definitely was enough coverage on it. Like right now, it's solidified in the whole chain is golden. I definitely like this stuff. It worked quite well. So yeah, I think at one point I ended up going and just like hitting the sides of it as well. That way, it's fully covered. But yeah, I mean, you can see there the teeth on the sprocket look pretty good. I mean, they're not perfect, but they also don't look like they're very worn in terms of how bad they could be. Well, slightly unfortunately for me, it rained, so my windows were down. I pushed the car out. It had no battery in it, so I had to hook the battery up and hook the charger up so that the battery had enough power to even turn the fucking windows up. It was misery. It was just downpouring. The bike was out. The bike got soaked. And yeah, now we're gonna go to the bank. Angle. Oh man, I never watched the footage back to see which one was better. Oops. Oh well. Oh, but didn't put it in gear. Let's see how she rides now with this buttered up chain. Hopefully I don't have any issues. That would be unfortunate. The sandy corner, dude. I almost ate shit in it the other day. It's so bad. I feel like before it did make a little bit of noise with the chain, which was honestly what started to concern me. And I'm just like, oh, they're turning for good. I was like, this is not necessarily a good thing, huh? There could be something going on. But I could also be just making that up in my head, so we don't know. I mean, it feels fine. I don't notice anything. To me, what I guess I should say, I do notice something. Go, bitch. When I just slow down a little bit there, before, I feel like the chain, that's when it would kind of like, when it was engine braking, that's when it would start to kind of jiggle around and make a little noise. Like a little clunky. I feel like that felt a little bit more smooth. But again, I could just be completely retarded, so I don't know. It is what it is. It's greased up. We're ready to roll. I should probably just stop. I should have sent it. But I'm scared and I don't want to get smacked by a car. So we're gonna be proper and we'll wait for this truck to come and we'll send it. Yay, it's a little shitty here. I was a little too far forward too because I was gonna send it when that truck was coming, but then I didn't send it. What a catastrophe. Please, nobody come around this Amazon. Feeling fresh as ever. That's for sure. Pay this AC bill. So close to getting all this shit just paid off, and then I'll be free to do whatever I want with my money. That's what I'm excited for. It's a nice day. It feels good to ride. There's always hella rocks in this curve, man. I don't like it. It's definitely smoother. I'd say it's a smoother ride, 100%. Considering the bike is chain driven, like doing maintenance to the chain is obviously going to greatly improve the way the bike feels and operates. Oh my god, this road is so much more shit than it was last time. Good lord. See what I mean though? This is what I was talking about, dude. The potholes are unmatched, unparalleled on this road.
And they're redoing it for it to just get shitty again, to be honest. All of the extra weight on this side of the road is just completely fucked it. That's insane. Oh my fucking god. Nearly unrideable. Holy shit. If I didn't stand up right there, that could have went completely the opposite direction. Wow. Oh my god, and we're backed up all the way to here. Oh no, what is, brother, what is happening? What is going on here? I don't like this. I'm not excited. Oh, this was a bad option. Oh, my turn signal's just fucking on, dumbass. This dude knows what lane they're in. Boop. They're in the get past lane, get smoked. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, this is a dangerous maneuver. Over the bumps we go. Yeet. Alright, we're safe. Ah, shit. You goddamn bikers! Man, if I got hit, that's my own fault, okay? I did that shit, I will own up. They ain't even behind me. They don't even care. Get, they're slow anyways. He knew I was thinking it. Hopefully. Ah, shit. Alright, well, we're back in ripping. We have some things that we need to come and, you know, address here in a couple months when it comes to maintenance. But for now, we should be pretty good with just the chain. Yeah, so hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you made it this far, I'm extremely thankful for you for watching this whole video, because goddamn, this video is probably gonna be like 20-30 minutes. So hopefully you liked it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.